Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is my 1976 Chevy Vega. It's pretty gutted right now. Actually, really gutted. I had a mini tub in it. The guy that put the mini tub in didn't do a good job, so I wound up cutting it out. We're going to lay all new sheet metal inside the vehicle. So where it's cut out right here, this side is going to be cut out as well. The rear end has been done. It's been chopped down. It has 373s in the rear. Let's see. It has some bracing on the passenger and driver side. There's going to be a lot more bracing that's going to go on inside this vehicle for the horsepower, just so the frame won't twist. I'll be running this supercharged LT4. I got this from a wreck ZL1. And then I have this manual TR6060. Yeah, so the firewall is going to be pushed in. It's probably going to start right here, straight across. That way the engine could be further inside of the vehicle. We actually might want to have it a little further closer to the edge. Not to the edge, literally, but further out to keep the vehicle from popping wheelies and stuff like that. I mean, this thing stock comes with 650 horsepower. Yeah, let me open this door real quick. It's bare bone right now. I mean, it's gonna look totally different. I'm gonna continue to try to post content, keep you guys up to date with the build. Had the vehicle for some time. You know, these project cars takes a lot of money to build, so I've just been sitting on the vehicle. Eventually, one day I could give this vehicle to my son. That's the front clip that'll be installed on the Chevy Vega. That is a front clip, body style from a 72 Vega. I believe they had the Camaro front clip. I'm also going with this hood scoop right here. That's gonna be on the front, of course. Wheels. These are the wheels that I'll be running. Got down there and put my foot in it. You know, that's how deep the dish is. These bad boys need to be buffed and repolished. You know, they've been sitting, you know, the dust and debris in the garage kind of got to them over time. These are the wheels that'll be going in the front. There's no tire on them right now. These are 17 by 7. And then these, because I've had these ones, I got these ones first when I got them built, 295, 35, 18. So these are 18-inch. Width-wise, I believe it's 35 in width, I believe. No, that's not right. That's not right. That's not right. I forgot what they were. 20-something, I believe, in width. Don't quote me. Brakes, wheel wood. I might be upgrading these. I never used them, but I'm gonna upgrade those probably to something a little bit more, something with a little bit more stopping power. Maybe the Bear brand. I mean, this vehicle's 2,500 pounds as is right now. And then with 650 horses from this LT4, I mean, it's gonna be a lot of power. And so I need stopping power, of course, and I feel like these are not big enough. But Bill, it's a guy named Bill who will be helping me with this build, and it's on him, it's his call to see exactly what he wants to do, if I should continue to run with these brakes or not. But I'm leaning more towards getting bigger brakes. 8-point roll cage will be going inside this vehicle. It's gonna be a lot more tubing, like I said, to brace the vehicle, to keep it from twisting. Fuel cell, of course, where I'll be putting the fuel in right here. And yeah, man, I'm gonna keep you guys updated with every step. I'll try to stay on, you know, uploading and posting as much as possible with this build. And I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions, you know, reach out to me. You know, this is art at the end of the day for me. And I just want to see what it'll come out to look like at the end. You guys have a good one. Peace.